Cardano is not just another blockchain. It is a scientifically engineered ecosystem aiming to redefine how finance, identity, and governance work worldwide. And with the bull market in full swing, ADA is once again in the spotlight. But is this finally the moment Cardano delivers on its massive promises? Before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because in a market that moves this fast, staying informed is the edge you need to stay ahead. Purpose and vision. Cardano, or ADA, was designed with a clear mission to solve blockchain's biggest challenges: scalability, interoperability, and sustainability, all without compromising decentralization. Unlike many projects that move fast and break things, Cardano's approach is different. It builds slowly, but on peer-reviewed, academically validated foundations. With over 100 research papers shaping its development, every upgrade is deliberate, secure, and future-focused. Technology and architecture. At the core of Cardano is Ouroboros, the first academically proven proof-of-stake protocol. It consumes about 99% less energy than Bitcoin, making ADA one of the most eco-friendly blockchains today. Its layered architecture enhances flexibility and scalability. The settlement layer handles ADA transactions. The computation layer runs smart contracts through Plutus, giving developers the tools to build powerful decentralized applications. With its extended UTXO model, Cardano offers predictable fees and heightened security, features many other blockchains still struggle to deliver. Upgrades like Hydra aim to massively boost transaction throughput, while Midnight, a privacy-focused sidechain, is gearing up to power enterprise-grade solutions. Ecosystem and governance. Cardano's governance model is one of the most community-centric in crypto. Through Project Catalyst, ADA holders vote on proposals and decide how treasury funds are spent. To date, more than 1 billion ADA has been allocated to fund innovative community projects. Its ecosystem is expanding fast. From Atala Prism providing decentralized IDs in Ethiopia, to native token issuance and real-world asset tracking, Cardano is proving its use cases far beyond speculation. Cardano is more than a coin. It is a vision of systemic change. With growing adoption, institutional interest, and a maturing ecosystem, ADA might finally be entering its defining era. But what do you think? Will Cardano's steady, research-driven approach make it a bull market leader? Or will faster-moving rivals continue to dominate? Share your thoughts in the comments, subscribe for deeper crypto insights, and join us as we track ADA and other top projects in this exciting bull run. And remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research, because in crypto, the smartest investment is knowledge.